something. Say na so that they push people when they got problem, they no go help them solve am. So na the sand, so na broom when they take the sweep. If as e take talk, if na like that e be, make the broom gather for am, or make e not scatter like this broom. If as e take talk and no be so e be, what is missing inside? As this broom take scatter and this egg go take scatter later. 21 egg to start with. It will soon later reach 70 something eggs as day grows. Now so hey, so nobody knows that. Even God himself knows that I'm not a Facebook native.
Native doctor don't come out come swear for mercy, and the sister say the allegation what they put for his head, if he really do am, say this swear where he swear it go reach his body. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video when I want to show now, so the thing they shockalize me for Swaggerlicious native doctor, my darling people. This swear where you swear to this Swaggerlicious, me I don't understand you, like seriously. I don't understand, because the video where you fair do, you not listen to what you talk. You listen to what God listen to what you talk before you go this swear. What you they even they talk safe, eh? It could just be like say you really do am. So and you what you talk now they make me laugh. Say the girl be one rape you. Like seriously. Now so wait to you first talk say Monica say he seduce you. Now you say this one they gay. Hey, how many people can seduce you, my brother? How many? I beg. Before you they swear, when you reason away, because the way you take talk for even this one again, you even see talk say your sister not feel cover for you, even when you give her $200 may go give mercy. Why you gonna give her money? Was you bribing him, my darling people? More now listen to this video what Swaggerlicious do just now. The thing shockalize me. In the way they talk, it could just be like say it could just dey obvious. It go just dey obvious, like seriously. More now listen to this video now, my darling people. Now go know what they talk about. Some of them are the verse, they insult me for comments, no problem. But more now say listen to what he talk for here again. They swear, say he give mercy till remorse. If you not confess this that, my darling people, I beg. More now listen to this video. Bye.
Something. Say na so that they push people when they got problem, they no go help them solve am. So na the sand, so na broom when they take the sweep. If as e take talk, if na like that e be, make the broom gather for am, or make e not scatter like this broom. If as e take talk and no be so e be, what is missing inside? As this broom take scatter and this egg go take scatter later. 21 egg to start with. It will soon later reach 70 something eggs as day grows. Now so hey, so nobody knows that. Even God himself knows that I'm not a Facebook native doctor. Alright, the time is still fresh. Let me see. This is just after 8 here. So by 12 and 1 midnight, I shall consult God Almighty to see if the statement that is flying around, if it's complete, if it's all true. As soon as push on to start, now still now go help us over. Now who don't know me, I know they do evil, but I they get something to revenge. If not true, go revenge. Now go push and help and go toilet. As now give her food to eat. Now so now give her food to go make now follow and go toilet. This is Europe. I'm not in Nigeria. This is Europe. This is not Nigeria. But before 3 months, I'll be in Nigeria, and the world will shake. If I've ever called your name that you try to sleep with me, and you know it's like, go and call me in juju, because we know say court and police cannot go details. If you know, say 10 years ago or many years ago, I said you try to sleep with me, you don't need to start putting comments in my page. Go and call me in Ayelala, not be my own Ayelala. I will come. You can't even come out to defend yourself. You are sending your people to put trash comments. Wait, this one, you know, say you were once touched. If this one wetin dey talk na true, completely true, 3 years we go know whether na true. So after 3 years, we know mark not change to say my body is hot because I lie. Then don't even come to my house. Believe that I have done everything there. Mona the push and start. All right, by 12 o'clock, shall summon myself and the defendant, or rather the complainant, before God Almighty. Save rest. I not be Facebook native doctor, and I've never done evil in my life. I always ask God to say, God, if it's true, let your will be done. If it's not, okay, Christian read Bible, but this is our Bible that we read to talk to God. Until I enter that Nigeria, the whole television station will carry my action. They will carry my summon. They will carry my investigation. They will carry my hotels. They will carry her hotels. I don't want to bring out any evidence here, because anything I read here, they will say, no, man, nah, not letting the read down. I will give my phone to the authority. I will give my statement of account to the authority. I will go to hotel. There is camera in the hotel. Hotel will bring out the footage. That is it. I'm even happy now. This one will let people know. Say this man a real native doctor. Go ahead. Yabo we are me ame we are yabo adegboye. We are me ame we are ese ni meru nu we. Me alu we ko ni mere we fi owa since ni my mother heu. Mere train nu we like a father. Agbon ame nu we. Me man alu we ko yabo adegboye, the same father, the same mother. Yabo, you will never settle. Because we settle. Erosion not dey settle. Na corner of the road, na erosion dey pass. Yabo Adegboyo, you conspire with outsider upon the good I do for you. Say father, say mother. Yabo, you will not settle. Where Akiologo lupo there. If I do you bad, Yabo Adegboye, you conspire with mercy and all that. Say father, say mother. Yabo, it will be well with you. But if I not do you bad, I took the responsibility of father and mother because we don't have father and mother. And you still conspire against me and my wife. Say father, say mother. Yeah, but you will not die. You will live to confess. And you will be like erosion. You will be like river, bad bridge. Bad bridge not dey settle. You will go left, go right. Yeah, but you will never settle. If you did not come and confess your sin and beg, you and your conspiracy, the people you conspire against me and my wife, you will join those people to turn to Ologo not dey settle, Okun not dey settle, Okun oheyo here, Okun oheyo here. That is my sister, the same father, the same mother. She is appearing here watching me, and according to confession, she is the one that conspired with these people because I throw her out of my house. It shall not well with you. You will not see light. You will not see light, Yabo. This is not for you. So long you take your body, come here, you use your body, carry sickness. But this is for whatever they say about me in that video, if it's all true, nothing is hidden, no blackmailing, no polishing, it shall be well with Yabo, my sister, and the person that she conspired with. It's the same Yabo I gave envelope to go and give Mercy $200 inside. Not because I cannot have millions of guests if I want. Because I was buying for her to shut up her mouth after she set me up. 3 months, 3 years, not be forever. We shall wait. We all know, say, court, not they talk true for Nigeria. Police said they try, they leave the rest. But these gods can never lie. Just wait. Now, today, now, they start not be saying anything they happen. Today, until after 3 months, I fold my hand, I wait. Let God disgrace me. Let God disgrace me in respect of this mercy. But if any word is missing, if any word is painting color instead of black and white, if anything is missing that she's not saying, that she knows she say, people will blame her. Now 3 months I give for her to use her mouth. Come to the same crowd she gather and tell them, I am sorry. it was not like that. No hurry. If I come out, Yabo will come out to come watch me so that you get next information to give. Same father, same mother that I trained, that I fed, that I put in my house for many years. If has not killed you, outside does not fit. But you and that outsider will die if actually you people lied against me. If you are not lie, now will live to grow above me. If you are messing not lie, una not miss word, una not add word. Una go live to grow more than me. If una lie to bring me down, higher I will go. You, my sister, and that mercy will be under my foot.